Right, done my work. Shall we head home? Cue the intro. But beforehand, let's blind ourselves with the sun because it is an icy cold day. Let's say it again. Cue the intro. Welcome aboard, passengers. We're at Grange over Sands and look at this gorgeous view. We're just waiting for our train, so I've come under the tracks just to the other side to have a good look at this before we start making our way back home. Probably a two-parter again. There's the station. I need to get under and go on the platform the other side. But yeah, gorgeous views, even though it's so bright. And I think that's, yeah, it's frozen. It's frozen, guys. So you see the white, that bit there is frozen. Now I need to go because I think I heard my train. I heard the horn from in the distance. So I need to run over and catch the train. But I really want to see the train. That'd be really cool. But yeah, I shouldn't because I need to make sure I get it. Right, let's head to the platform then. Oh, I still get a good view here. Look at the tracks. Look at the snow. Snow? Ice. It's snow. So yeah, we've got 4 minutes till our train arrives. As I've already said, Grange over Sands in Cumbria, in the Lake District, right on the south border of that. So yeah, 10:32 to Lancaster. Was going to be taking a TPE 397, not 802, 397 Nova 2, but it was cancelled, of course. Found out last night, as you do, it's cancelled. So I've had to rework out my journey, and I'm going to be an hour late, an hour later than I should have arrived. So yeah, join me on this hash of a trip, trying to make sure I get home. Look at that emblem on there, the initials. Go on then, leave a comment. What is that for? Let me know. Here it comes. Tactile paving is in use. Fully at the station. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, let's climb on board. Will it be an ex-East Midlands? Could be. Could be. Oh, look at that. Look at that view. Just can't stop watching. Just can't stop looking. The scenery is just too good to miss. Too good to miss. In 4K, dirty window though, but 4K quality. That's what we like to see. Only the best that I can give you. nice bit, and I just pressed record. Oh my goodness, look at the state of that window. There we go, we've got it back. We got it back. Oh, look at those old cars. Those old carriages. Are they old post office ones or mail ones? Potentially. So we're on the main line. We've just left Carnforth. We're now heading to Lancaster, where the TPE 397 Nova 2 should have taken us to Manchester, but no, that was cancelled. So TPE, or Transpennine Express, advised me to take 2 trains to get to Manchester. Now, it was Manchester Oxford Road, but I am going to Manchester Piccadilly, because then I'd wait there 20 minutes, quickly run, get some lunch, and then, yeah, get my next train from Manchester to Sheffield, and Sheffield to Derby. So yeah, instead of Lancaster to Manchester, I've got to go Lancaster to Preston, Preston to Manchester. So let's see what trains we're going to get. So what we're going to do now, as we are approaching Lancaster, is we are going to go over the Carlisle Bridge. Oh, it didn't time it well enough. Start again. As we come into Lancaster, let's go over the Carlisle Bridge. See, nailed it. Nailed it. Yeah, nailed that one. Great. It's a little chilly today. Yeah, over we come into Lancaster platform, wherever it is. Then I've got to get over to platform 2, and then I've got to go over to platform 4 for my next train. Well, we've arrived at Lancaster, and I totally forgot to do a table review, a seat review. Nice. So yeah, Eggerin's not too bad. It is a northern, it is a northern service, so yeah, it is Northern Trains seating, not East Midlands. But yeah, Northern did take a load of those East Midlands Railway 156s. Yeah, a load of people getting off. It was packed. Every seat was taken, but nobody was standing, thankfully, except a couple in the doors, next to the doors. Yeah, you do have USB, which is quite nice as well. But yeah, let's focus. It's not doing it. There we go. Let's get off the train. Oh, missed the front of the train. I heard it. I was like, where's it coming from? Couldn't get the phone out quick enough. It's not going fast enough. It's going to Edinburgh. Edinburgh. Why is it Edinburgh, but it's spelled Edinburgh? Don't know. Anyway, there's a 397 Nova 2, not an 802 Nova 1. Check the timetables. Here comes a freight train. So what are we going on? What a Transpennine Express making me go on? Oh yes. Only for one stop though. But we are going on a Pendolino. let's climb aboard. So yeah, it's alright. Pretty packed in here. So I'm in the shop. I've got myself a nice cup of tea, clipper tea with the bags. Yeah, just waiting for it to brew, then put some milk in. Yeah, some nice things in here. Oh yeah, I've also got myself a brownie. But yeah, I don't think there's going to be a seat bar. We're only on here for 20 minutes, so. And it's also the old version of the train, so it's not the updated version, so never mind.
I just get that bag out.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, there we go. It's all good. Sorry, I'm in the special assist area, but this is where all the train bags are for all the staff. Because look, Virgin Trains one there. Yeah, it was an Avanti, the orange one, but yeah. Just having a good look outside. We're only on one stop to Preston, so I don't mind standing. That's right. So you've got the train manager's office. He's got a nice keyboard. Get access to CCTV and other announcements and things. I'm not going to dwell too much on that just in case I get told off. But yeah. Only a few more minutes, then we'll be in Preston. So off goes the Pendolino. There literally is a train that's delayed that's at platform number 2, but I could run for it, but that would be uncomfortable. So I'll just walk slowly-ish, a bit faster. If I catch it, I catch it. If not, I've got to wait for the 12:22. So I'm not going to wait for this Pendolino. I'm literally just going to go. Yep, it's gone. I've just got up the stairs, and as I was in the tunnel here, I could hear it dung 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 dung. And there goes the Pendolino through there. But yeah, never mind, I'll wait 20 minutes for the next one. Whilst we're waiting for our next train, what have we got coming up here? Look at that. An actual cleaning train. There's the water tank. There's the motor. Yeah. It's an actual cleaning train. An RHTT. Not a couple of 66s or 37s bolted on the back and front. How cool is that? That's cool to see. I like that. Oh, just as I stopped the video, he's now going. Off he goes. Clearing the tracks. Oh, there's the spray going on again. Here's the next train. Let's get on board. So this is our cup of tea, still hot from the Pendolino. We're on our northern train to Manchester Airport, but we're going to Manchester Piccadilly. This is the slower train, so it's going to get us into Manchester Piccadilly about 1:15, which, you know, makes us late by, well, I should be home, you know, at Derby Station at 2:30, but looks like it could be around 3:30ish, depending on, you know, the next trains, of course, because they could be delayed. You never know. But yeah, it's supposed to be going to Oxford Road, but because of food and things like that, I'm going to try and get off at Piccadilly, then run down the ramp from 13, try and get some food, and then run back up to 13 to then get the next train. I think I got about a 20-minute layover, so I don't. What is the technical term? A layover is usually for flights, but what is it for trains? Is it layover as well? Just to stop the video, we started moving. Of course. Anyway, I've got a seat. Got a table. It's great. So I'm going to be able to do a bit of work. I need to send an email. I was going to Blackpool North. But yeah, need to send an email for work now. Oh, Royal Mail? Royal Mail, anyone? Excuse me. Yeah, next stop is Leyland, and then yeah, we've got Bolton and all sorts. Oh, and there's a 150. Look at that. Oh, the freight train the other side, but because of people being there, I can't really look over. I'll tell you what it is, and then I'll stop the clip. So there's a load of Freightliner trucks.
Afternoon. This is the 1222 Northern service from Preston to Manchester Airport.
It's a Freightliner 66.
We'll be calling at Leyland, Buckshaw
614.
Parkway, Chorley, Adlington, Black Road, Horwich Parkway, Lostock, Bolton, Salford Crescent, Deansgate, Manchester Oxford Road, Manchester Piccadilly, Heald Green, and Manchester Airport.
Ooh, the speed's quite good on this. The acceleration's pretty good.
Leyland, and you are seated in the rear two coaches.
Anyway,
Please
right,
move
let's
to the front as the train
get my
is
laptop out and start writing that
email.
Coming into Bolton.
To Bolton, station stop. Please keep tickets as you may need these to exit the station.
So yeah, coming into Manchester now, Deansgate, Oxford Road and Piccadilly. And then yeah, we're literally getting in at 20 past and the next train's at 22, so I need to run and get something to eat because I'm hungry. Do we get to see the front of the train? Just about in the reflection. So yeah, that was Deansgate, Oxford Road. Next stop.
That's not going to happen. Just trying to get us on an airport.
Oxford Road. Yeah, I'm not going to get off here. I'm going to get off at Piccadilly because I have a little bit more choice. You'll probably shout at me going, no, downstairs at Oxford Road's this, or downstairs is that. Well, yeah, but yeah, I'm just going for it. Right, got my lunch. Oh yeah, this was going to be a different part, wasn't it? Do you know what? I don't care. This is just going to be one part. What's annoying is as I ran down, there was a Nova 3, 4, 5, whatever it is, the one with the loco on the front. Right here on this platform, and it was like, and it was like, oh yeah. But I tried to get my food. Now I'm stuck in this queue getting up. But yeah, it's gone. It's already gone. It's just really annoying because I wanted to see that. We got an Avanti Pedalino there, a 185, 150. We do have a 323 there. But yeah, 13:34. Our train is 13:42. So we should have plenty of time to get that East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. So Stockport, Sheffield. And then I've got to get a cross country or an East Midlands Railway, depending on what time I get there. That will get me into Derby an hour later than I should. Never mind. Right, let's try and get up this hill and get on our train. We've given ourselves enough time this time. When we get on, it's not going to close the doors. It's going to be, well, it's not even here yet. And it's already telling us to go, go, go. So let's go, go, go. Guys, there's a 323 that's going, shutting its doors. Let's see if we can hear it. Let's listen to it. There we go, 323 goodness. We heard that leave, that's the northern one. Still good to hear though.
Before you move forward,
Should we see what we got?
please be advised platform
We got a
13
158.
car paving.
158. EMT colours. Do you know what? Let's head this way. Because there is it's supposed to have been the EMR colours the other end, but it's not. So yeah, let's climb on board and get in. We're on board. This is Pendolino, going to Euston. And yeah, this is Manchester Piccadilly. Nice 158, comfy seats, comfy-ish. The back is a little hard. Not as hard as the new Auroras, but yeah, I do like the Sprinters. Excuse me. Doors have closed and off we go. So yeah, Manchester Piccadilly, Stockport, Sheffield, and then from Sheffield onwards. What have we got on the front of that? What's wrong with that Pendolino? Has that got a new... It's like a new panel on there that's still white. On this side, because we get to see Manchester City Stadium. Excuse me, really need to cough. But also we get to see the TPE, Trans-Pennine Express depot as well. But yeah, give me one sec. That's better. Just needed a good cough. As I said, you know, I've been ill the past couple of weeks with a chest infection, and it's still just the last few dregs of it now. There's the Etihad Stadium, I think it is. Yeah, Etihad, yeah. Never been. Oh my goodness. Boo boo. So quiet. Can't ever hear them. Can never hear them. Anyway, got my lunch. Hopefully that's still hot by the time we eat it. Because I just want to see the Trans-Pennine Express depot. See if there's any Nova 1s, Nova 2s, Nova 3s, Nova 64s. And yeah, go from there. Because that Nova that was in the station that I mentioned, that could be at the depot. As the Americans call it, a depot. It's a depot. 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 Anyway, let's move over. And then we're actually closer to the train maintenance facility. Gotta be different. Anyway, right, here it comes. Anything? No. You got that one there. Where's it? 185. There's nothing else there. Great. Oh, what fun. But we get to see that. I wonder what that was. Massive building or something, and they've just flattened it. I'll have to look if I can remember. You know, have to look at going back. Oh, look, there's a bit there. Maybe it was a bus place, but yeah. Look back at my old videos, because you know we've done this before where we've exited Manchester Piccadilly. Oh, I think there's more of a depot here. Yeah, there's a Nova over there. Wrong end though. Yeah, so there's a Nova over there. Alstom. It's a train wash. I think East Midlands need to use one of them. That one must be working. Oh, there's an 08 there. Hope you saw it. And I think that's it. Because yeah, once we get to Stockport, we then go across to then Hazel Grove. But we're not stopping there, you know, we stop at Stockport and then onwards. Anyway, let's eat my lunch before it goes cold. So yeah, just on the road map. So coming into Sheffield in a sec. Just exporting that from my phone onto my iPad, so I can just edit that video, get it all. Well, I say edit it. I add the two videos together plus the intro. So yeah, I edit the video. And then yeah, I'll be able to export it, and then when I get home I'll upload it. But yeah, all good with the roadmap, so yeah, that's quite fun. So now you know this video has been date stamped of the 8th of December. So now you know. Yeah, it was nice going through the Peak District, so you will have less views on this video, but look back at the road map and you'll get to see all the bits you missed. Even though this is a bike place, do you think this is where the telephone once was? Around this area, just that little window and this sort of thing. Look, could this have been where the telephone was on board on these Sprinters? Have a look back. Telephones on the 158 Sprinters. There's some really cool YouTube videos on that, the history of it. But yeah, this could be it. Right, we're at Sheffield. So we're out, and I've just seen an East Midlands. Oh, looks like it's been cancelled. My next train's been cancelled. I was going to get cross country. Due to a security alert at a station, the 1456 is cancelled. So we're having to get the 3 o'clock to St Pancras on 5A. But yeah, just as I got in, I saw a 222 go. So unfortunately, we got to wait a little bit longer. Could this be where Matty Midland sits? Could that be where he's sitting? Can't see him in there, but that could be it. There's the old first class lounge. The lounge is closed until further notice. No, not further notice. They are closed forever. They're not reopening. But yeah, that's the old first class lounge. No more. Now, this is the train that we're getting on. It's just arriving. So does that mean that we could potentially get on this train early? Oh, it's the purple train. It's the purple train. Wow. Purple train. Oh, hello. Ah, yes. It's declassified, so I get to sit in first class. Let me just triple check. It's not even coming up with anything. But these are all not reserved because we are in standard class. Boo boo. Let's go. So yeah, just leaving Sheffield now. Got all my tickets ready, just to show that this is why I'm on this
Good
one.
afternoon, well passengers join us on the 1500 East Mills Railway service calling at Chesterfield, Derby, Long Eaton, East Mills Parkway, Loughborough, Leicester, and arriving into London St Pancras 9 minutes past 5. First class accommodation can be found at the very
9
rear
minutes
of the
past 5,
service.
it will get into London.
The seated area, safe to book. First class ticket holders only. Safety posters have been provided for your information in the doorway of each carriage. Wi-Fi is available, complimentary throughout the service.
You say that, but there's no internet
Our
connection
first
to
station
that
call
Wi-Fi.
will be Chesterfield. Please be
Chesterfield
advised.
first. Chesterfield leaving now. No freight coming through. There is a yellow signal, but that's probably going to be red in a minute. There, but yeah. Remember, we get to Bear right, so left goes to Alfreton, and Nottingham right goes to Belbear, and other such stations. Even though we're not stopping there, we are going straight to Derby. This window's quite clean. So yeah, we're just coming up to Belper in a minute, so we'll be able to see the brick walls, the stone walls, and then the station itself. Missed them, but yeah, this is where we start coming into Belper. Look at those trees with the sun shining on them. I think they've still got about 2 more minutes. Yeah, that's nice. The trees shining like that from the sun, if you can see it through the window. Here we go. So we've got the stone walls here. There we go. And then we've got the station itself. There. And then we've got the stone walls again. And the bridges that you kind of drive over to get around Derby. Stone walls, and then we're out of here heading towards Duffield now. So there we are, coming into Derby, our final call. And then we can drive home or get a lift. Excuse me. So there's a supermarché, shops. And then yeah, we'll go past a couple of car dealers and we'll be there. Right, let's start putting our stuff away because I've got a few bits out, and we'll go to the door. So yeah, there we have it. We are at Derby Station. Here is the EMR Intercity. Oh my goodness. Just do it like that, and then you won't get the stupid cable. I forgot I had a battery pack, so I'm able to charge a bit of my phone. Yeah, we're in the purple train, apart from one. Because remember, they extended some of these. Trolley coming off. Driver is out the cab. Oh, he's leaving. As you do. That means that, oh, he's changing drivers. Oh my goodness, look at all that water there. Bit of damage there. Look at that at the front. Still got those blue ones at the bottom, but look at this. Look, the crack there. It's all blue. You know, this is the all purple one, so this is supposed to be the really nice one. Whereas, you know, that one was done at a later date, but this was the first purple. Look at it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more, if you want to watch some more, of course. Social media links are in the description below. And we will see you on the next video. Doors closing. This is Mega Sim out of here. Door is shutting. See you soon, guys. Bye bye. Oh, that's that one going. Just one more door right at the very back in first class. Bye.